Okay, welcome back to lesson number 5. So I told you that today we would be working more with the verb endings. So as you can see, ich takes e. That means when you have a verb with ich, if you're talking about yourself and you want to say I swim, the verb to swim, schwimmen, changes the ending to e. Ich schwimme. Du schwimmst. Er, sie, es schwimmt. Wir takes e in, so it's schwimmen. Ihr takes t, so it's schwimmt. Sie plural and formal both take e in, so it's schwimmen. So there's a couple ways to remember this. I mean, obviously first you can just memorize it. Here's this little chart up here, itchy dust, 10-10. The way you use that is you say ich takes e, that's itchy. Du takes st, that's dust. And then the next two verb endings, or four really, make t, t-e-n, and t-e-n. So you have to be able to remember the order that the pronouns come in to do that. Itchy dust, 10-10. So another mnemonic is on the top right there. Ooh, itchy dust, because itchy dust is gross. He, she, and it all drink tea, because er, sie, and us all take a t ending. The plural side all takes en, except for the irritating t. So the first part we already went over. He, she, and it all take t. Wir, sie, and sie formal all take the en except ear, and it's irritating because it takes a different one, and it's just weird. We don't have you all in English. Notice that sie formal can also be singular, but we lump it with the plurals because grammatically it's the same. Okay, so here's another thing that you can do to remember it. And it goes to the tune of if you're happy and you know it. So if you don't want to do this, it's okay, but it goes like this. If ich does something, add an e. If du does something, add st. If it's er, sie, or s, then you simply add a t. If you learn this little song, you'll pass your test. If wir does something, add en. If ihr does something, add a t. If it's a z or z, then you give both an e in. If you learn this little song, you'll pass your test. So you can memorize that and it can help you. And you've also learned why Frau Miles does not sing in class. Okay, so this is for the next time. So right now, we're going to go back here and we're going to pause right now, or I'm going to stop soon. And you're going to, after you watch this video, watch another video, and then you're going to practice on Gimkit, and then you have another very short little worksheet just to practice the verb endings. And this is the end of our current plan for online school. If it's extended, then you'll see some more online things from me. Tschüss!